Hey everyone, we are doing a installation today, not an unboxing, of my new video card I've got. Alrighty, so we have the GTX Gigabyte WindForce 580 video card, and we are going to replace that or install it and take out the Gigabyte 560. So if anyone hasn't actually seen or done themselves how to take out the video card, we will do that now. So I've unplugged my system. As you can see, it is a really tiny case, a bit dusty. It's meant to have the power supply down there. It's got it in the front at the moment. But yeah, we'll take this out. So you want to have the case unplugged, shut down, already, and you want a table or a case or something to put it on. So I will just use the new Coolmaster case I just got. So I'll whack that up here. Spin it around a bit so we can actually see on the camera. Come on, this is a heavy case down the bottom. Alrighty, well hopefully you guys can see that. So, on this one it's got a little screw here, just holding it into place. Now sometimes they come with a lever or just a couple of screws. At the moment it's just one screw. So of course this screw can just be taken off by hand, otherwise use a screwdriver. Alrighty, so we will check the back. Coming up this side. So there's no screws in the back. Computer is off. Yeah, sometimes you have to check underneath here. Lever. But might actually help as well if we actually unplug the power. Alrighty, so sometimes it's one pin, sometimes it's two. Should be able to get this out without unplugging the second one. I'll just alrighty, yeah. Take this one off. Alrighty. Put that on the anti-static bag. Now they always want to go where the connections are to the back of the case. So you want to put it down vertically like that. These represent where to go on here. If you're not sure, it's got like a finger length first, and then a break, and then a bit of a gap. So you look down here, and I'll move the camera, hopefully you can see it down there. You've got a little gap there, and then it goes along. Oh, the camera's going all over the place. Alrighty. Let's get rid of that bit of dust. And up. And this looks alright. And in. And we've got our trusty little screw again. And you may have to push it up that way to get the screw in. As I said before, sometimes there's two screws here, sometimes there's a lever. We've got the lever out at the moment, so just make sure that's nice and tight. Alrighty, and then we want the power plugged back in. And I've come across a snag. Alright, so one of them is 3-pin, the other is 4-pin. So that would be a thing to check before you put the graphics card in. I think this card came with a pin adapter. Alright, so let's have a look at this one. Oh, this is a 3-pin. Okay, so not sure if you can see, but on that it's a 3-pin there. But I've already got a 3-pin. Now I'm pretty sure this power supply I'm using doesn't have a 4-pin. So I'll have to look into that. But yeah, you basically put that on there, grab the 4-pin, put that on there, and these up here are the SLI connections if you've got a second card, and that's how we install the video card. Alrighty, well, thank you for watching and have a good day.